At the epicenter of industry resides a life-supporting network. Mostly unseen but always present, it flows through the veins of commerce, pumps vitality into every business, and dictates a company's prosperity or demise. This network is the supply chain. Embark on an extraordinary journey to unlock the secrets of the supply chain in Intelitek's Logistics and Warehousing for Industry 4.0. Discover the world of advanced logistics and experience the ways in which goods are shipped effortlessly from supplier to customer. Explore the Goliaths of storage that are modern warehouses. Behold how stock is organized and orders are fulfilled using an ASRS, an automated storage and retrieval system. Witness the influence of the supply chain on production and examine how a streamlined raw material supply improves manufacturing operations. Investigate the role of sensors in logistics. Marvel at how items are tracked as they move from place to place and robots are guided to their intended targets. Master the skills of the supply chain with Intelitek's SmartLogistics system, a scaled-down fulfillment center where orders are purchased, raw materials are retrieved from storage, and finished products are assembled and delivered. The industrial robotic arm stands at the heart of the assembly station. It skillfully builds products using raw parts and advances them to a quality control station for final inspection. Where are the finished products stored before they are shipped to the customer? In the ASRS 36U, an automatic storage and retrieval unit with an R.F.I.D tracking system that also records the locations of all items. But the true lifeblood of this setup is the mobile robotic system. Driven by an AMR, an autonomous mobile robot, items can be shuttled to and from the stations of the logistics center in the blink of an eye. With cutting-edge mapping and localization algorithms, the AMR efficiently navigates the fulfillment center, finding the shortest and most efficient artery to its target destination. Mounted onto the AMR, the sleek, accurate, and above all, safe collaborative robot performs the material handling tasks needed to relay the items from station to station. In order to optimize precision, this collaborative robot, or cobot, is equipped with a machine vision sensor. The camera acts as the eyes of the mobile robotic system, allowing it to see in an environment that demands keen visual awareness and transparency. This commitment to transparency extends to the entire system, with all data being meticulously recorded by Intelitek's state-of-the-art educational manufacturing execution system, OpenMES. Operated at a central management station, OpenMES controls and exchanges data with all system components via a robust communication network. Use OpenMES to manage inventory, submit and fulfill orders, plan and execute manufacturing processes, analyze performance, generate reports, and more. Intelitek's courseware, SmartLogistics system, and OpenMES software. It's Logistics and Warehousing for Industry 4.0.